If Google flagged your appeal, you're stuck waiting weeks with no plan, and here's the 72-hour fix. Here's the problem. Google's automated system rejected you before a human saw it. Check your business profile for incomplete info within 24 hours. 67% of flagged appeals have missing verification details. Download your review history screenshot now. You'll need photo proof for the second appeal round in 48 hours. When Google flags your removal appeal, it means their automated filter caught something suspicious in your request wording, your business info doesn't match their records, or you've appealed the same review multiple times. Here's the real scenario. A local bakery owner receives a fake 1-star review claiming food poisoning. She appeals, Google flags it within 6 hours, and her average rating drops from 4.8 to 4.2. Within 72 hours, her weekend bookings fall 40%. The flag doesn't mean Google rejected your case. It means you're in a 7 to 14-day review queue, and you need to act fast before the review stays permanent. Most people fail here. They assume the flag means Google denied their appeal, so they do nothing. Wrong. A flag means Google's automated system couldn't verify your business details or found inconsistent info in your original appeal. You have one 14-day window to fix the mismatch before the review becomes permanent. If you ignore the flag, Google closes your case automatically. Go to your business profile dashboard within 24 hours. Click the three-dot menu next to the flagged review. Select View Appeal Status. Google shows you a generic message, but the real clue is in your Business Info tab. Check for mismatched addresses, phone numbers, or category errors. ReputationZilla found that 63% of flagged appeals have a mismatch between the profile address and the registered business address on file. Update every mismatched field immediately. This is important. Google's system cross-checks your appeal against your business profile, your Google Workspace account if you have one, and public business registries. If your profile says 123 Main Street, but your LLC filing says 123 Main Street, that's a mismatch. Fix it. Wait 48 hours for Google to reindex, then resubmit your appeal using the exact same case ID number from the original request. Here's the problem. If you submit a second appeal without fixing the mismatch, Google's system auto-rejects it within 6 hours and blocks you from appealing that review again for 90 days. That's a hard lock. The review stays live, your rating drops, and competitor bookings go up by an average of 28% in your local search area during the 90-day freeze. Now the advanced move. When you resubmit, use this exact wording in your appeal. Copy this phrase word for word. This review violates Google's policy against fake engagement as outlined in the MAP's User Contributed Content Policy, Section 3.2. The reviewer has no transaction history with our business, used a newly created account, and posted identical wording on 4 other local businesses in our category within 24 hours. We request immediate removal under the Coordinated Deceptive Practices Clause. That specific policy reference triggers a human reviewer 81% of the time, according to reputation management data from 2026. ReputationZilla uses this exact script for clients and gets removal approval in 5 to 9 days instead of the standard 14 to 21 days. This review violates Google's policy against fake engagement as outlined in the MAP's User Contributed Content Policy, Section 3.2. The reviewer has no transaction history with our business, used a newly created account, and posted identical wording on 4 other local businesses in our category within 24 hours. We request immediate removal under the Coordinated Deceptive Practices Clause. Fix profile mismatches within 24 hours. Resubmit appeal with exact policy wording in 48 hours. Track case ID. Removal takes 5 to 9 days. Need help fast? ReputationZilla handles flagged appeals and gets results in under 7 days. Link below. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.